Hi, this is Alicia from Dominion Pest Control, and in this video, you're going to learn exactly how to get rid of bed bugs effectively and permanently, so they don't come back. Make sure you listen for all 5 steps, because if you miss anything important, you could risk having a resurgence of bed bugs and have to start the whole process all over again. And trust me, we've treated more than 947 bed bug infestations, and it's always best to do the treatments carefully and properly. On that note, in this video, you'll also learn the 2 biggest mistakes people make when doing bedbug treatments themselves. If you make either of those 2 mistakes, you might end up spending more time and money than it would cost to have a professional do the treatment for you. So make sure you stick around for that. Let's get right into it, starting with step 1, identify bedbugs. Before starting any sort of treatment plan, it's important to make sure that you know what you're up against. So what do bedbugs look like? Here's a close-up shot. As you can see, bedbugs are very tiny and somewhat oval shaped, and fairly flat. They expand in size after a blood meal, but generally speaking, they're approximately 1/4 inch or 6 to 7 centimeters, which is about the size of an apple seed. Step 2. Prep the area. Before you treat the infected areas, remove blankets and sheets from your mattress. Put them in a sealed container, and then take them to the washer and wash them with hot water and dry them on high heat. Click the link below this video to get a comprehensive list of preparation steps that should be taken before treatment begins. Step 3. Treatment. There are a number of treatment products and methods to kill bed bugs, so it can get confusing trying to figure out which products or methods to use. There's high heat treatment, spraying, and more. Some people try diatomaceous earth or baking soda, which we found to not be helpful or effective. What we do here at Dominion Pest Control, and what any reputable pest control company will do, is come on site and inspect the room or house and come up with a custom treatment plan that's best for your specific situation. As I said earlier, we've treated more than 947 bedbug infestations, so we know what treatment methods work best in each situation. You can call us anytime at 717-393-7879 to start your custom bedbug treatment plan. Or click the link below this video to request an on-site inspection if you're in Lancaster County or York County, Pennsylvania. Step 4. Monitor effectiveness. Multiple treatments are typically necessary to completely eradicate bedbugs from your house and prevent them from coming back out of hiding. Keeping an eye out for an increase in activity is important, as this will help you make sure that your home has been thoroughly treated enough times. Things to look for include seeing an increase in bedbugs crawling on sheets or other surfaces, seeing rusty red stains on pillows, sheets, or seeing tiny dark red bed bug feces. If you notice any of these indicators, it's important to perform the treatments again. Step 5. Preventing another infestation. Earlier in this video, we promised to share the 2 most common mistakes people make when treating bedbugs themselves. These are the most common reasons that people see a resurgence of bedbugs even after several treatments. If you avoid these 2 mistakes, you'll greatly reduce the likelihood of getting a reinfestation. The first mistake is not treating hard-to-get areas, or areas that might not seem obvious. For example, did you treat your bed and the side table, but not the carpets? Or did you miss an entire closet? If so, you may have just driven the bedbugs into hiding in your closet, only for them to come back out of hiding when the treatment session is over. The second mistake is not being careful when removing sheets or other items from the room. For example, maybe without thinking, you picked up the sheets and blankets from your bed and carried them through the hallway and through other rooms into the laundry room, without first sealing the sheets in an airtight bag. This prevents the bedbugs from falling onto the floor when being transported. To make sure you don't miss anything important like those 2 mistakes I just mentioned, click the link below to get a full list of preparation steps you should go through before beginning the treatment for bedbugs. So that's how you get rid of bedbugs permanently in just 5 steps. Watch this video again if you think you missed anything important, and if you're in Lancaster or York County area in Pennsylvania, our team here at Dominion Pest Control can help you get rid of bedbugs in your house, hotel, motel, or business office. Call us now at 717-393-7879 or visit us online at dominionpestcontrol.com. We hope to serve you soon.